Hello friends! Welcome to my channel Creative Digital Hacks. Today, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to remove background in Photoshop with perfect hair refinement. So let's jump right in and make your photos look stunning. At first, open your photo in Photoshop. Right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Then, go to the Properties panel and click Remove Background. The background will be removed automatically. Now to refine the hair, go to the background area, then click Select and Mask. Inside the Select and Mask workspace, choose the Refine Hair option. Use the Refine Etch Brush tool, and carefully paint over the hair to clean up any rough edges or white areas. Set the view mode to overlay or on layers to see results more clearly. Adjust opacity, smoothness, and shift edge if needed. Then, click on Decontaminate Colors and adjust amount. Unsatisfied, set the output to New Layer with Layer Mask and click OK. To check the refinement, add a solid color layer. This will help you see how well the hair is separated. Finally, you can see the beautiful result and admire the clean and professional cutout with beautifully refined hair. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss my upcoming Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.